Welcome to Anisha's online lessons on Grow Your Wealth. A bit of background about me. I've been in the investment banking industry for over 15 years. I've worked in multinational banks like Standard Chartered, HSBC, HDFC, ICICI, Global Trust Bank, both in India and abroad. One question that's common to all is, how do we grow our wealth? While there's no holy grail, there are certain things that individuals can look at to understand what's really happening. In this series, I'll try to cover various topics on the subject by going into details of each topic. Every week, I'll be uploading 2 videos on the topic. Follow my channel, watch the videos, and let's start our journey. The first part of my series covers analysis of price movements, better known as technical analysis. It's both a science and an art. The first module of my course covers the most important aspect, trend lines. These are used by traders, investors, and algorithms on all time frames and establish support, resistance, and breakout levels for the price movement. Follow the lines. Let's look at the basics of drawing trend lines. A line is made when 2 points are joined in a straight path. A trend line is made when 3 points are joined in a straight path. The more the points, the stronger the trend line. First choose the time interval for observation, by minutes or hourly, daily, monthly, whatever frame you wish to trade. Then join 3 lows of 3 rising troughs. Join 3 highs of 3 falling peaks. Choose the best fit price and time frame. The price is assumed to follow the trend line until the trend line is penetrated, and the price closes below that for the time frame being observed. Press on the 3 buttons to watch demo videos to make trend lines. In this video, I am joining 3 highs, such that each high is lower than the previous high. This forms a downward sloping trend line. In this video, we are joining successive highs over a period of time to establish an upward sloping price resistance trend line. This is a very special case of a trend line breakout pattern. We will discuss about these at length later. For now, let's focus on the 3 to 4 points that the price tested to establish the trend line. Here we join 3 higher lows of 3 rising troughs to establish a rising support trend line. Point to note is that life is not perfect. There was a false break of the trend line which could not sustain. The false break caused the price to move upwards faster once the trend line was re-established as a support line. Hope you found this video useful. If you did like this video, don't forget to actually like it. And subscribe to my channel and share the video with anyone whom you feel would benefit. See you next time in the next video.